My dear students, in this lesson we will learn about the importance of water bodies. In the last class we learned about the important water bodies. And here we will learn about importance of water bodies. And here we will learn about how we are using water and what are the reason for the pollution. Okay. First, water is essential for life. As you know, without water we cannot live. All the things, all the living things, it will use water. Without water, the living things cannot live. And since the ancient time, that means the olden days onwards, people they preferred their home to build near the source of water, because for all the purposes we are using water. So it is very good for make our home near the bank of a river. And as you know, the civilizations, you might know the civilization, Harappan civilization, Chinese civilization, okay, Indus Valley civilization. These civilizations are formed or started or located on the banks of a river. Water on the earth exists in three forms: water vapor in the air, water in the oceans and other water bodies, and ice or snow. Water vapor, liquid form, then ice. The ocean contains most of the water on the earth. The last class we learned most of the water is in the ocean or seas. So this sea water, it is not good to drink. We cannot drink this sea water because it is salty. And rain is our main source of fresh water. We use rainwater for drinking, washing, running machines, watering crops and so on. And one more specialty of water, what is that? Water can absorb and store more heat than any other liquid. It will help to reduce the temperature, because water can absorb or store more heat than any other liquid. So it will help us to extreme temperature. And here we can see that the uses of oceans or water bodies. Water bodies we are using for transportation and trade. And you know, in the olden days, the voyagers, the travelers took them to other lands too. They traded with people of these lands. Some voyages took people to places where no human had lived before. Thus, new lands were discovered and explored, and people settled down there. And moving water is forms such as fast flowing rivers and sea waves is used to generate power. The moving water or sea waves we are using for generating electricity. Moving water or sea waves and sea waves we are using for generating electricity. And the water body supplies large amount of fish for our daily life. And it also supports many sports items such as swimming, diving, sailing, surfing, rafting and rowing. So see, what are the uses of water? We are using for drinking, washing and other uses. Then we are using traveling, or we are using water bodies for transportation and trade, and we are using water bodies for generating electricity, and we are using water bodies for different sports also, such as swimming, diving, sailing, etc. And now we can see that how we are polluting our water bodies, or what are the reason for the pollution of water bodies. What is pollution? Pollution means polluting something, means making it dirty. We cannot use that things. If you are polluting something, we cannot use. Water bodies may get polluted naturally, but most often they get polluted due to our actions. We use water for many things. The used water that flows out our home, offices, hospital, factories and farms contains harm things such as sewage, oil and disease causing organisms. As you know, the unused things we are throwing the river. Simply we are throwing. These are the main reason. Human beings are polluting the water bodies. How? Through our actions. Simply we are throwing the unused things to the water. It will harm the things that lives in water. And what is the after effect of the pollution? Pollution makes water unfit for use. It also harm the plants and animal living in the water. Drinking water and eating fish or other creatures from polluted water bodies can make us sick and even kill us. If you are using fish or this water from the polluted river, it will make us sick. Okay, and even it can kill us. Okay, so we are concluding the chapter here, and now I am going to give the question answer of this lesson. All of you please write in your notebook and by heart all the question answers. Okay, thank you.